Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone who have taken the time out to join us here today in the session. I'm sure you'll not be disappointed. You're going to hear from industry veterans, market leaders, amazing tech partners out there. Here with you all today, Theepika Devaraj from US Tech Solutions, part and parcel of Total US Tech Digital. To have one liner word, not to repeat Ian's story, I'm a digital transformation leader, and I head the digital practice for US Tech. While most of you here in the forum and to the world outside, US Tech Solution is known as the market leader when it comes to workforce solution and staffing a strategy. But we have been doing some good and great work when it comes to managed services and ID consulting. Here is a big day for us personally. While we have seen good milestones and success stories, we officially wanted to get this brand launched under US Tech Solutions, which is US Tech Digital, to turn our founder, true frontier visionary, Mr. Manoj Agarwal's aim, converting into a true story. So whatever you're seeing in the screen is the launch day for us. It's named as US Tech Digital. There is an operational website where you will find all our global solutions, success stories rolling around. But we wanted to run this on a very redefined pattern. It's just not about the name that you're getting to see. For us, it's engaging with our end customer in a truly redefined way of transformation. So with that, I think you guys can catch up with my team, myself in the floor, wherever in the breakout session to hear more about the facts and figures. I'm just jumping onto the topic of interest today, the true frontier. The topic which is very close to my heart, the future of digital innovation, with a lot of questions around, just sharing my point of view based on my experience and expertise here. Uh, Yes, what is it about True Frontier? When it comes to digital transformation, the buzzword and the bubble across, we all have seen FOMO of requirements from the end customers. We talking about it, the need for digital innovation, transformation, and all of it. When can it be truly successful? It's about we as a provider, especially at US Tech Digital, we believe as an organization merging both the technology and the organization vision. That's where it can turn true, and the entire customer organization can celebrate it, embrace it. It's about the change muscle. It's about the organization vision, which both should come together in order for you to experience the true transformation. That's where the true frontier lies. In all the simplicity, if I have to put it forth in our experience, what we have witnessed, the true success is just not about technology. It's just not about IT department, but it's about the entire organization. It's about making the people realize the application. So that's where you're getting to see quick wins on what needs to be changed, what needs to be looked at when it comes to the overall world of digital transformation. Yes, indeed. Ian, if we can jump on to the next bucket, you will get to see the problem statements. We all look at digital transformation very much from the project angle to it in a very disjointed fashion, unlike a very integrated approach which has to be driven end to end throughout the organization. What are the legwork that we are missing? This slide talks about it, more primarily to do with an consulting driven approach. It's not we directly jumping on to technologies, the fancy jargons everywhere. All of us are loving it, using it, AI to cloud to data to whatnot, but forgetting the very requirement of outcomes and the pain points. It all starts with the end, if I have to put it that way. We need to be a listener. We need to have an open ears. What we are differentiated as an organization is come at your place, understand your people, understand your process, understand your technology, capture the assets, have a complete consulting and approach, be a partner around, make it purely data driven, capture your assets data, and then make it very analytically going. What's the project is all about, how it can imply an outcome across. So all of the legwork has to be fixed. The bubbles that you're getting to see are the ones that we primarily forget primarily jump on at wherever the industries are the leaders and trends talks about, and forgetting to make it as a holistic approach. So that's true to the words of Bill Gates. Just remembering his big quote again: efficiency and requirements goes hand in hand. You need to really identify what is missing and then investing your time and energy in something that is important to amplify the outcome. That's exactly what we're trying to say in this slide, and that's exactly what we believe as an organization. So while we spoke all the English around on the approach, this also need to be done in a framework and very defined industry best practices way. For US Tech Digital, we have coined a transformation wheel. So when it comes to transformation wheel, to what we have spoken about, we also have a co-innovation, co-creation lab with amazing partners. Most of them are sharing booths and stalls across with me today here. So we have built an AI lab or co-innovation lab to so forth called it as, with the immensely big client base that we have, understanding their requirement by vertical, by industry, we have come up with global solutions. It all starts with strategic understanding and then mapping it against the technology or tool enablement. It's all about going beyond the tool and make your customer read it and get it approved. That's where we start, and then marry the relevant solutions followed by the result mapping. So when it comes to result, it's purely data driven. While all the good and great solutions have been inbuilt or provided, the results have to be measured. It's all about data, data, data. So we also have very IP driven data analytics platform sitting on top of all of your technologies to make informed decisions for the leadership team to go after what is right and wrong. That's where all of the actual workaround can be validated. Now with that having said across, we also wanted to quickly furnish the digital transformation solutions that we focus, the very trademark name that we believe and coin inside our organization for US Tech Digital is Accelerate. X is all about experience. X is all about making it exponential and outcome to you guys. X is all about a very transformed approach, truly making it, immersive to whatnot. It's a connected environment. If you could get to see right from analytics to automation to connected things to exponential experience. So all the key technologies are again mapped against the outcome. That's how we wanted to approach it overall as an organization for the benefit of the end user. But yes, having said that and having walked you through all the global and differentiator solutions that we follow, there are truly differentiated success stories that have given us all the confidence to come out loud and talk about our organizations and also share the great takeaways for you, the end customer, or even for that matters the partners around, what worked for us and what didn't, as a learning, as a takeaway for the organization. We are there in the booth that you can get to catch up with. There is good and great team along with me here in the session. You will find them all around. Please listen, have a chat through, be it from the pain points, be it from any requirements. We're all ears. Let's join hand. We're here to listen to your stories and share our success to join hand and grow something bigger for the benefit of the entire environment.